How good is that? Not pregnant at the moment. So in the Christmas spirit, at the moment I just shove it in the back of my phone case. Hi best friends, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Hello, hi if you're new. I'm not sure how you found me, but I hope you stick around. My name is Jess and I'm a 21-year-old, do I normally say where I'm from? How old I am? I'm a 21-year-old YouTuber from Leeds and I hope you stick around on my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would do a gift guide video because it's about 6 weeks till Christmas now. Everyone's slowly starting to buy the gifts. And I don't know about you, but I'm always struggling every single year to find something, not necessarily like really different, but something that someone will actually want and not give away to someone else. Because I've definitely had that where I've received a gift and I've thought, have you received this for someone else? Am I getting re-gifted this? But for today's video, I thought we'd do a gift guide video for males, females, stocking fillers, children, grandparents, anyone and anything you would like to give gifts to. But without further ado, let's get on with the gift guide video. I'm also in the Christmas spirit, as you can see, because I've got tinsel behind me. I mean, this is probably the extent of my Christmas decorations in my uni house, but do you guys feel festive in this video? Should I put on some Christmas music in the background? The normal music that I use for my videos is called Free J. Cole. I'm not really sure why, but should I put on some Christmas music? You guys will see if you hear Michael Bublé in the background, you know that I decided to do it. Okay, so to kick it off, I thought I would start with men's. So this could literally be for boyfriends, brothers, uncles, dads, father-in-laws, granddads, anyone like that. So I thought I'd start off with men's and what I would do. They're all perfect and there's like a range of different prices as well. I haven't gone like price low to high. I just thought I'd go like the ones that came to mind straight away and ones that'd be perfect. So without further ado, let's get with the men's. Also, I'll link everything down below, everything that I have found, the links for like Amazon links or like clothing links, stuff like that for anything. Okay, so first gift, which probably would be best for, I think, a dad, is a beer making kit. I've never actually bought one of these myself, but I know someone who bought one for their father-in-law, and it was so good because most dads love beer or like drinking beer or some sort of alcoholic beverage, of course. So a beer making kit. This is perfect because you can do it with them as well. You can like make it with them, so like that's actually not expensive at all. And you can also do it with your dad, so it's a win-win. Okay, the next, which every single teenage boy has probably won their life, is Dior's. Is it Sauvage? Savage? Savage? Sauvage, I think it's Dior Sauvage. So the Dior Sauvage aftershave, every single boy and all of their little friends have probably got it, but you can purchase it for them. They could be running out around this time of the year, or they could just think, oh, I want another one. You can also get it gift wrapped, I think, if you go to Selfridges or Harvey Nicks. So Dior Sauvage, that's how you say it. Am I gonna get some football Twitter boys correcting me about it? The next gift, which could also be for male or female, is a Pangaia tracksuit. Again, it's how you say it. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, a Pangaia tracksuit. Pangaia tracksuit, it literally comes in like 30 colours or 20 colours, something like that. I know that I personally want one in the sand colour, so I'm hoping that someone watches this and gets me one. I mean, so many different colours. You can get the joggers in different styles. You can get sweatshirts, hoodies, zip-ups, anything like that. They are a little bit on the pricey side, so maybe for a boyfriend or someone really special, or fiance. I haven't got a fiance. Next one is AirPods. So again, these are a little bit on the pricey side. They're about £100. Some of them are £129. Don't know what the difference is, but AirPods, a lot of people may already have them, or people might think, oh, I want to wait till Christmas or something like that so I can invest in them, and it's a perfect gift. Also, Apple do free engraving of AirPods if you order them on their website. They don't do them in store and you can't do it after you bought them, but they do free engraving of AirPods, so that's also a great present. It just makes it a little bit more personal. The next item is, which I've got a lot of these items. Obviously I haven't got a beer making kit or the Dior aftershave, but a North Face puffer jacket. I bought myself a North Face puffer jacket around this time last year, and it was probably the best investment ever. They are expensive again, around £250, but I actually say it's worth it. I know that I've had a lot of other puffer jackets and they don't fit the same, they don't give the same warmth and insulation, so definitely a North Face jacket. Next item, which I'm hoping that someone doesn't watch because I've actually got them this as a present on Sunday to give to them, is a football team dressing gown. So I got my brother-in-law an Arsenal dressing gown, and I got my other brother-in-law a Leeds United dressing gown. Yes, they support different teams, but it's like one of them's my family, one of my boyfriend's family, that makes sense. And they're not expensive at all. They're literally like £27, £30, but it's so nice. It's so good as well for winter because it's obviously really cozy, really warm. It's a bit more personal than just a normal dressing gown because the person thinks, oh, they've actually taken time to listen to what I like, what football team I like. This would be perfect for dads, brothers, even sons. You can get children's sizes as well. Similar to a dressing gown is an hoodie. So you guys will know in lockdown, hoodies literally went viral. They're basically just a massive oversized hoodie that's kind of just like a blanket. I've actually got one, I've got a pink one, and my best friend Ella has got a grey one, and I think my mum's got a blue one. My sister might have one as well. But basically, loads of my family members have got one and my friends have got one. And it is an hoodie. You can get loads of different patterns as well. You don't just have to get a plain colour. You can get them with like pizzas on, or like burgers and chips, stuff like that on. Like obviously it's not all food, but you can get ones with like stars and stuff on. And hoodie is a perfect gift. They're also really, really good for children. Okay, similar to the football team dressing gown, a metallic stadium sign, and they're so cute. They're about this big. They're literally only £11, something like that. Not a lot at all. And they say Emirates Stadium, Ellen Road, I don't know the other names of stadiums, Old Trafford, something like that, and they say them, and they've got a logo as well, and they're great. They're the official team ones as well. Another really, really popular gift that I have bought previously is a card holder. Again, men's and women's, you could do that a lot for, but this again, you can range from literally £10 up to like, I don't know, like £2,000 if you're gonna get them like an expensive one, but you can literally range this. So I think personally an engraved one, or one that has maybe like JB for me, like in metallic on it. I would actually love a card holder, just because sometimes I don't want to take my whole bag out or my whole purse out. Obviously when I'm going shopping I just need my ID, my card. At the moment I just shove it in the back of my phone case, and it's not a good look trying to get out your ID when you've got a night out and you've got all these other stuff falling out. So card holder is a great present, and you can obviously add a personal touch to it. Also, let me know if you've got any other gift ideas for boys, like boyfriends, dads, uncles, father-in-laws, anything like that, because I feel like I covered most of the ones that I would get and the most popular ones, but let me know which ones you guys would like. Okay, so now on to girls' Christmas presents. I feel like you can think girls are easy to buy for, but when it's like mums and mother-in-laws, it can be a little bit tricky sometimes because they've already got everything. Like my mum's already got a perfect daughter, you know? Like my mother-in-law's always got a perfect daughter-in-law. But I thought I would come through with some presents for sisters, best friends as well. These as well range from literally like £10 up and up and up. So to start with, I actually got my sister these for her birthday and she loves them. These are Ugg slippers. You can either get the old style or the new style. The new style has the little, is it elastic thing on the back, and the old style you just slip your foot in. These are really, really great present, and they're about £100. These again are a little bit pricier, so maybe like a special Christmas present or something like that. But again, these literally work for any age. So grandmas love slippers. I actually might get my grandma some slippers. Do that. Children love slippers, mums love slippers, aunties love slippers. These are perfect. You don't have to get Ugg ones as well. You can also get them from M&S, which are like the exact same style, but I bought my sister the Ugg ones for her birthday because she means a lot to me and I love her, and they come in loads of different colours as well. I got her the bright pink ones, but they also come in a softer pink and like nude, black, white. They come in loads of different colours, so Ugg slippers definitely. The next present, which is more probably for families and stuff like this, which a lot of people probably already have, but some might not, is a Alexa. So I bought my parents an Alexa a few years ago, and my best friend Ella actually bought me one for my uni room, and I think it's such a good present. Alexa can do so many things now as well, you know, like she can tell you the time, she can tell you the weather, you can play music from her, you can like organise things to do. Let's have a look at my Alexa. Alexa! Sorry if I just set off anyone's Alexas. The next present, which I've been seeing all over my TikTok, is a velvetizer. You know, last year the Hotel Chocolat ones came out with a velvetizer and it went crazy. Well, you can get them from Asda for £23, which I think is amazing. I haven't actually personally used one because I've got a little like, it's like a little spinner, electric spinner, that I kind of like velvetize my drinks with sometimes. But I think definitely around winter, you know, you want like a hot chocolate or a nice hot drink, this would be perfect for a mum if she's making like hot drinks for the family. She can velvetize the milk, she can velvetize the hot chocolate for you. The next item is a Jo Malone, anything from Jo Malone. Mums love candles, mums love diffusers. I've got a diffuser here. Smell that, guys. Does that smell amazing? Diffusers are amazing and they last a long time as well. They last like 2 months, and you can get Jo Malone ones. Again, these are a little bit on the pricier side, but you can maybe team up with your sibling and get your mum a nice candle or a nice diffuser, or you can also get the travel set. You can get a little travel candle from Jo Malone, and I think it's only like £25, and that's so nice as well. Personally, in my opinion, I feel like it's a little bit more special than just say a candle from somewhere else like that, because Jo Malone is obviously well known and it's a very reputable brand as well. So Jo Malone candles, you can also get like hand cream, stuff like that, and little perfumes. If you want to spend a little bit more, you can get a full-on gift set from Jo Malone. It has like mini candles, mini diffusers, everything like that. Okay, the next item, which I think is so cute, and I don't know if to say it or not, because I think my best friend's obviously gonna be watching this, but well right, okay, Ella, basically. So next thing is a YSL lipstick, but you're probably thinking, Jess, I can get a lipstick from anywhere. No, this is free engraving. There's also buy one, get one free, I think for like 3 more days or something like that. And you can engrave them. There's so many different colours as well. You can even do a thing where you can try it on online. You could upload a photo, say, of your mum or your sister or your best friend, and you can see what shade would match them best. Next thing is Olaplex. If you guys don't know what Olaplex is, it's basically hair treatment for anyone, and anyone can use it. Obviously, all girls, and some boys as well, all girls take care of their hair and want to look amazing as always. Girls always do look amazing. Girls are best. It's definitely around winter time, you know, when your hair gets a little bit drier, it's like easier to snap off. Olaplex. You can get Olaplex gift sets, and they're not a lot at all. I feel like it's a bit more special when you buy the gift set, because you might not buy the gift set for yourself. If someone bought it for you, definitely amazing. As well, people might have tried it in salons and stuff. I know that a lot of hairdressers use Olaplex, and I know that even when I get my hair done, people try Olaplex for the first time, they're like, oh my gosh, I want to buy this, but like it's very expensive to buy it myself, so why not get it as a Christmas gift? Following on from hair, it is the Beauty Works Molly May curling wand, or the new Beauty Works hair straightening brush. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it came out this week. I think a lot of these brands will be doing like a Black Friday sale. These are again under £100, so they're not loads and loads, but it's also a bit on the pricier side. I know that I don't think I would buy, say, the Beauty Works hair curler for myself, just because I think, it's like £99 or £79? It's definitely a lot more than your average curler, and I don't think I would ever buy it for myself. It's a big investment, but when I get my hair done and get blow dries, they use it, and I literally just use Ella's hair curlers, but she's never asked for them back, so thanks Ella for that. You can even get some Beauty Works shampoo and conditioner. Say if your sister or your mum or your best friend has got hair extensions like myself, you can get the Beauty Works shampoo and conditioner. It just maintains the bonds in your hair and leaves your hair healthier. Next item is anything from Jonah Jewelry. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. They sell it in like Selfridges and John Lewis. I got my grandma 2 years ago this little bracelet that said a very special grandma, because she's a very special grandma, and you can get personalised things. They're either £17 or £25. A big range, but they're not too expensive, and they're really, really cute, these little silver or gold bracelets. I think you can get necklaces as well, but the bracelets I love. And you can get ones that say like mum, you can get like grandma to be, or like auntie to be. Maybe if you are expecting, you could get, say, your sister this, and you could get auntie to be, or you get your mum grandma to be. These are really, really cute. I'm not giving those because I'm not expecting, I'm not pregnant at the moment, but these are really, really cute, and you can get like special friends, special mother-in-law. I feel like I'm going through these quite fast as well, but I don't want to spend too long talking about them, because you guys obviously know what all these are. Like the next item's a cake stand. You know what a cake stand is. I'm talking through them fast just so I can get all of the products in and not waste any time talking. As I said, the next item is a cake stand. All mums love to bake. Cake stand is perfect. It just looks so nice. You know, like when you walk into a house and there's a nice Victoria sponge there on a cake stand, you know, on a plate. No, we aren't doing that. A cake stand. It's chef kiss. It's lovely. I keep saying chef's kiss. I need to stop, someone's gonna get annoyed at me. You can even get a personalised one. You can get an engraved one, say with her initials, or say like if it's Mrs. I don't know, Mrs. Smith or something like that. You can get Mrs. Smith's cakes or something like that. You can get those on Etsy or not on the high street. I think a cake stand is really cute, maybe for a mother-in-law, because they'll do a lot of baking, and if you don't want to get your mother-in-law a cake stand. Second to last on girls' presents is a personalised Monopoly board. This again probably suited more well to the family. Actually doing them in Selfridges, so you can put like, well, we said Smith last time, so you can put like the Smith family. I think you might have to go into Selfridges to get it though, but there's a few, there's like Manchester, it's Birmingham, I thought. I know, maybe look online though, but a personalised Monopoly board. You can also get these personalised on Etsy and stuff like this, but I don't think they're like official Monopoly ones. But I saw this on TikTok and I thought, oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to add this to my video. All families love to play board games and stuff like that over Christmas, and why not get something a little bit personalised to your family? The final item for girls is personalised baubles with like the dogs' faces and the dogs' names. I'm definitely going to get this for someone who's gonna know exactly what it is, but I'm definitely gonna get this for someone. I might even get it for Ella as well, because she's got a little dog called Sydney. I might put Sydney's face on bauble. These are so cute. I've actually never seen these before. Obviously it's probably been a thing for a while, but you can literally get them on Funky Pigeon, next day delivery. You could even give it to them before, because obviously you don't really want to give a bauble on Christmas Day, but you could even give it to them before, just like as a pre-Christmas gift, maybe like a week before or something. But I think I'm definitely gonna be buying these. Funky Pigeon literally do next day delivery, and they're like £8. Like, how good is that? Okay, so that is all of my female and male gifts done. Again, I probably have spoken through it quite fast, but You guys know what I'm saying, and I put like photos up and links up, so it's fine. Tell me if I speak too fast. So the last category is stocking fillers. Also stocking fillers and Secret Santa presents, because I know that a lot of people in school and stuff and in like friendship groups do Secret Santa. I think I'm gonna try doing one with my group of uni friends. They don't know this yet, but I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna tell them tomorrow at uni that we're gonna do a Secret Santa. And I think this is perfect because you don't always want to spend a lot. Say if you're at school, you haven't got loads of money to spend. So these little stocking fillers, or in case any parents are watching these, because I don't know about you, but I get a stocking every single year. And when I wake up on Christmas Day, Father Christmas has delivered me loads of great stuff. Loads of little stocking fillers. The first thing is a disposable camera, right? Before anyone says anything, these are so trendy right now. Ella's had like 3. Disposable cameras are not a lot. They're literally £12 or something like that. Literally get them from like any photo shop or like Boots or Tesco's or any big supermarket. The next item, which thanks to Millie Grace Court made really, really popular, is a star sign necklace. I've actually had these for like years and years, and they are so cute. Obviously, Millie and Love Island made them really, really popular, but I actually loved them before. You can literally get these on Amazon for like £10, something like that. So it's star sign necklace, and you get them in loads of different colours, like rose gold, silver, gold, white, black. Have you guys heard of Vibe and Blue? I don't know if they were the original people to sell them or what it was, but have you guys seen those slippers? I'll obviously put a photo up, and they've got like the massive love heart on. These are so cute and getting so trendy, and I know that Vibe and Blue sell them on Instagram. They'll sell them on like Amazon and stuff like that, but I think Vibe and Blue could be the original. They come in those different colours as well, and like male, female. They look great on boys and girls. Okay, the last item for a stocking filler that I would buy is a claw clip. Everyone knows what a claw clip is, and if you don't, what on earth have you been doing? Where have you been living? Have you been living under a rock? Because claw clips are the trendy item right now, and people around uni are always wearing them. They're so good as well because they don't hurt your head, so that's obviously nice. You don't want your head to hurt, and they're not a lot of money. You can just pop this into a stocking or pop this into a little Secret Santa bag. As well, that would also be good for mums and stuff, like say if they're just, I don't know, pottering around the house as mothers do. They can just put the hair up, or say if you're in an exam or something, you can literally just pop it up with a claw clip. So that is the end of this video and this gift guide video. I know that I might have gone through it quite fast, but I feel like I've covered all of them. Let me know as well what other ones I should have included. I hope you all enjoy this festive tinsel that I've got going on. I've got loads more festive videos planned, but it's only 6 weeks till Christmas. Wow, are any of you guys going to Winter Wonderland or anything like that? I think I'm going to the Manchester Christmas market, so I might see some of you guys there. If you are, I can say hi. I can say hi. But why am I acting like I'm famous and people are going to know who I am? Lol. Shut up, Jess. Get off your high horse. Thank you everyone for watching. I love you all, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye guys. Mwah.